out to J Fire, y'all. Go get him more.
Shout out to J Fire.
Me keep a female never lonely. I've been stacking, taking trips. I've been packing. You ain't popping, you be slacking. You ain't rich, you be acting. Got rich. Remember me from high school? No, nigga, stop it. You was trying to knock it.
You fight over a Popeyes chicken sandwich?
Fuck no.
Hey, just take.
Chick-fil-A, bro. I'm not gonna fight over no damn food. Damn food possible. What's it?
You not gonna fight over it with a fat dude?
You just bought like the whole sandwich, right? It was like hella money. And they just snatched it. I'm not gonna fight over no food. Sorry. Damn.
Okay, not even for a fry? Okay.
Hell no.
Oh shit! Hey!
That's not a fry.
Yeah, okay, appreciate that. Would you fight over a Popeyes chicken sandwich though?
I fight over one?
Yeah.
I never tasted one.
You never tasted one? Yeah, okay.
I mean, if it's good,
You said if it smacks, you might have to rumble, you know what I'm saying? Damn. Okay.
rumble.
Hellacious for him because he won't have much gas. Was that a knockdown?
You gonna fight over it like a fat girl?
He said like a fat girl.
Yucky chicken and that sandwich ain't got no more. Where's the yucky chicken and that sandwich? Get the fuck off.
She fat, so like she gonna really do something to me.
You know? Yeah. I'm just trying to see, would you fight over a Popeyes chicken sandwich though, you know?
Fight over Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Just to get that first bite, would you fight over a Popeyes chicken sandwich?
Hell.
I ain't even had that. Oh, wait.
Would you go with a boomer, if you know what that is? A boomer. Baby boomer. Yeah.
Okay, boomer. Okay, boomer.
Yeah.
A boomer?
Yeah, a boomer, that's what it's called. Okay, so check it. The other question is, would you fight over a Popeyes chicken sandwich though? Would you fight over a Popeyes chicken sandwich?
What if it
Nah.
was Chick-fil-A?
No, I'm not fighting over
Not even for the fry though? Okay. Not even for that glory taste? Alright, appreciate it though. Appreciate it. Chick-fil-A sound
Fuck
down.
a Chick-fil-A sandwich, man.
Popeyes is better.
Give me a
Tell him
fucking
it's about
Chick-fil-A, man. Cuz, man.
So you say Popeyes is better though?
Hell.
Popeyes is better though than Chick-fil-A?
Fuck yeah, the fries.
Yeah.
The fries. Everything. No, Popeyes.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A is elegant. Them niggas from Popeyes just literally threw a whole fucking chicken on a piece of
And
steak.
slap.
Okay.
Would you fight over a Popeyes chicken sandwich though?
Would I fight over a Popeye chicken sandwich?
Yeah. Would
No.
you? No. Why not? It's not that serious, you know what I'm saying?
Darkness.
Yeah. For the glory of the sandwich, you wouldn't just to take that first bite, you wouldn't fight over it.
I wouldn't eat it. I already got poisoned.
Hold up.
I already got poisoned.
Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Just to take that first bite.
Cause then I start to taste them. I say, and then I start to smell them. So it's like a smell like taste like. So I knew something was wrong. I knew something special about it.
Damn. Yeah, okay. That's new. All right, even. I guess he doesn't want to reveal his identity. He has too many bodies or something, I guess. Okay.
He assassinated.
So check it though. Would you go with a boomer? You know what a boomer is?
Okay, boomer. Okay, boomer.
With a, a little boomer, you know what I'm saying?
If you got money?
You got money? Damn, so you a gold digger? Yeah.
No.
But you just like over his money. Okay, I can go for that. All right, appreciate it. I'm trying to see. Are your AirPods fake? You know what I'm saying? Random question.
You want to see my case or something?
Yeah, let's see the proof, you know what I'm saying? See what the case is. Ooh.
Whoop, my shit broke.
Damn! Got some real AirPods. Okay.
There you go.
Bet. Also, would you get the AirPods too?
I get the AirPods too, but I wouldn't get the Pros.
Okay. Alright. Bet. Would you fight over a Popeyes chicken sandwich? Let's say you was in a cafeteria in Popeyes, right? And somebody just had a chicken sandwich laying there, or you even had an order of your own chicken sandwich, and somebody took it, a fat kid took it, or something like that, and ran off with it. Would you fight her for it?
If I pay for it already?
Yeah.
Damn, bro, get my chicken sandwich back.
Fight over the fat kid with the chicken sandwich. Okay,
but at the same time, I wouldn't go to Popeyes. I would go to Chick-fil-A.
Everybody's saying Chick-fil-A is better. What's so good about Chick-fil-A though?
Oh, it's that sauce, man.
It's that sauce.
better.
Okay, damn. Okay, I appreciate that, man. Yeah. Hey, so check it. Would you fight over a Popeyes chicken sandwich by any chance?
No.
So if you had a chicken sandwich sitting on the counter, right, and you paid for it, and a fat bitch just came up and ran off with it, you wouldn't chase her down?
I'm gonna hit her with a fucking chair if I
Oh.
pay.
Yeah.
The fuck?
Yeah,
That's
knock
my
her down.
sandwich.
Yeah.
have domestic violence.
You go with a boomer though, baby boomer.
Wait, what's a boomer?
Okay, boomer. Okay, boomer. Okay, boomer.
Wait. I gotta go to college. They gonna pay for my college.
You gonna bust it down for the overs? Okay.
They gonna pay for my college. So
Hey, okay. Ah, snap. Which guys is right here in front of us. That's the glory.
I got the bag and I got the juice. Y'all got your bitch and she getting loose. I got the paper, I got the guap, I got the clock. Split through your block, mommy, I'm like, yeah, I got that pack. What you wanna eat? I'm like, yeah, I got that sack. I'ma run it, berry loaded folk. I'ma shoot.